Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting essentials in place. Check the controller battery is at least 20% and update firmware if available, because stable power prevents disconnects. Once done, power off the console or PC, then plug the controller in with a known good USB-C cable. Direct connection beats wireless for safe mode. Next, boot the host into safe mode by holding power and volume down until the logo appears. This ensures you enter minimal software for controlled configuration. Now you focus on making the connection reliable. Select the wired or USB controller option in the Safe Mode menu and disable Bluetooth so signals don't conflict. This prevents pairing confusion. Then, allow the host to install or accept any driver prompts. If drivers fail, open Device Manager and inspect ports for unknown devices. Make sure to run the Safe Mode controller diagnostics or the built-in tester so you confirm each button and stick reports correctly before proceeding. To finish, save any Safe Mode changes and reboot normally. If you want wireless again, repair after confirming wired functionality so settings carry over. If the controller still isn't detected, try a different USB cable and port, reboot the host, then reinstall drivers. Those simple swaps fix most connectivity issues. If problems persist, perform a hardware reset on the controller and keep manufacturer support contact ready. This single troubleshooting tip, swap cable and port first, solves the majority of cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.